Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. LooksRare is an exciting new NFT marketplace aiming to shake up the established order. Instead of just facilitating transactions, LooksRare prioritizes rewarding its users. It boasts a unique approach by sharing 2% of all trading fees, in the form of Looks tokens, with active traders. This means that when you buy or sell eligible NFTs on the platform, you're not just getting the digital asset but also earning rewards for your participation. These Looks tokens can be staked to earn even more rewards, creating a dynamic ecosystem that incentivizes engagement. This structure directly benefits those who actively use the marketplace, contrasting with some platforms where the majority of profits flow primarily to the platform itself. LooksRare aims to foster a community-driven environment where traders are directly compensated for their contributions to the platform's activity. The platform also features a visually appealing interface designed for a smooth and intuitive user experience. Discovering and browsing NFTs is a key part of the platform, and LooksRare has clearly invested in making this process enjoyable and efficient. With a focus on community, rewards, and a user-friendly experience, LooksRare presents a compelling alternative in the ever-evolving world of NFT marketplaces. This innovative platform aims to disrupt the status quo by rewarding active participation and creating a more equitable distribution of value within the ecosystem. It's definitely a platform worth exploring for both seasoned NFT collectors and those just beginning their journey into digital ownership. So, if you're looking for a fresh take on NFT trading, check out LooksRare and experience the difference. Remember to do your own research and stay informed about the latest developments in the NFT space. The platform's unique tokenomics and community-focused approach make it a standout option, providing a potentially more rewarding experience for NFT enthusiasts. By rewarding traders and fostering a sense of community, LooksRare seeks to create a more dynamic and engaging marketplace for digital collectibles. Consider adding LooksRare to your list of NFT platforms to watch, as its innovative approach could significantly shape the future of digital asset trading. Explore the platform, discover new NFTs, and see how you can benefit from their unique reward system.